All rise. Judge of the B Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1039, Sutton case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Sultan, you're back. And I see that you got, well, dad or potential father served. What's your name, sir?
My name is Stephen Pippin.
Mr. Pippin. Okay. You understand why you are here today, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. You know I ordered you to have DNA testing done a month ago.
Yes.
And so we can determine child support, what it's going to be in this case. And I don't have anything from the testing center showing that you showed up. So what's going on with that?
Because I didn't take it. I mean, I don't know what she's talking about.
So I order you to do something. This is not about her right now. I order you to do something and you just decide on your own, I'm not going to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm the father, so I don't have to take the DNA.
All right, buckle up. This child support drama just kicked into high gear. Miss Olin is back in court, and this time, she's not alone. She's brought a possible father into the picture. Mr. Stephen Pittman. From the jump, the judge isn't playing around. First question, why still no DNA test, especially since it was ordered over a month ago? Pittman's response, he says he's been too busy and doesn't think he's the father anyway. Yeah, ... That didn't sit well. The tension in the courtroom spikes as the judge lays it out clearly. No more stalling, no more excuses. Accountability is coming in. It's coming fast. Let's see what happens
next. The father, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and take the DNA test?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all this long process. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so I don't have time to sit back and
Well,
just be
how busy are you? What do you do?
I'm a waiter.
Oh.
And I'm a full-time student.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have time for the games and all this testing, DNA testing, all that. I don't have time for it.
All right, so you work every day as a waiter?
Yes.
Did you bring anything today to show that you're waiting tables? Any type of financial information?
I ain't bring that.
Oh, so you didn't care about that either. So did you bring anything to show that you're enrolled as a full-time student?
Nah, I ain't bring none of that.
So you just came to court unprepared today and you just think I should go along with that, right?
If that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
When did you start working as a waiter?
About 4 months ago.
What did you do 4 months ago?
I had a full-time job working as a consultant.
All right. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
Hold on. How did you say your baby was?
5 months.
5 months. And you just stopped working there 4 months ago?
Yeah, they had some layoffs, and I kind of thought that they were going to start laying some people off, so I decided to go ahead and quit.
So you quit?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
Nah, I just...
Are you sure about that? Because it's mighty funny that this child is 5 months old and you just stopped working that job 4 months ago. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
$63,000 a year? And you're making how much as a waiter?
I did it because I'm a student, so I'll probably make around $15 an hour.
Oh, no. You came here to waste my time. You obviously came here to waste my time.
Pittman's defense, let's just say, it's not winning anyone over. He openly admits to skipping the DNA test, blaming it on his busy schedule, juggling a waiter job and full-time classes. But when the judge asks for proof, he's got nothing, no pay stubs, no enrollment papers, nada. The excuses keep piling up, and the pattern is impossible to ignore. He's dodging accountability. Then, just when you think it couldn't get more questionable, the judge drops a bomb. Mr. Pittman walked away from a $63,000 a year job just 4 months ago. Now we're not just talking delays, we're talking motives. The judge is officially done playing games, and this case is about to take a serious turn. Stay tuned, because it's getting real in that courtroom.
I am not going to place you on child support for $15 an hour, and you just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
I mean, I think it's crazy that you using my $63,000 income. I don't even work there no more.
You don't have to work there, but it sounds like you intentionally stopped working there because you thought she was going to put you on child support.
No.
So you just disappeared on her?
Because I'm not the father. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm at work.
But we don't know that you're not the father because I ordered you to go and get DNA testing. So we could have found that out today. But you know what? We don't have to do it. You know why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it. That's what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, who carries health insurance? Well, never mind. That was a bad question.
Yeah, it's me.
You carry health insurance.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much is it?
$750.
$750. Does that include you and the child?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is split that in half, because child support, his obligation, he's only responsible to pay health insurance for the child only. Okay. So based on $63,000 a year, I have your monthly gross at $5,250. That brings your net to $4,226.99. How many other children you have? No other children?
No other children.
Well, I hope not. I hope you're not ghosting on them either, because that's exactly what you did to her. So I have your monthly child support obligation at $845 plus $375, which is half of that $750 for health insurance for the child. Your monthly obligation is $1,220.
Said judge doesn't mince words. She calls out Mr. Pittman, directly accusing him of quitting his $63,000 a year job on purpose, just to duck child support. His story about being a student and part-time waiter. It doesn't hold a pan. The judge isn't buying a single word of it, so she makes it clear. No more loopholes. Child support is set based on that previous income, $1,220 a month, plus half of the child's health insurance costs, and because he failed to take the DNA test, he's now legally declared the father by default. No tests, no more excuses, just consequences of fair, firm ruling and a message loud and clear. You can't dodge responsibility forever.
And I'm ordering you to do that. And you don't have any control over that, because that goes through a state agency and it'll just
I'll
withhold
just
from you.
go ahead and just submit my W-2s whenever I get them. I'll come back.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But today, this is what we're doing. Since you came in here unprepared and not caring about anything, you don't care about that $1,220 either then, right?
Okay, I guess so. But we'll get up there. I'm not tripping.
Okay, well, we can do that at a later date. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't got no questions.
Okay, do you have any other questions? Okay, if nothing further.
Pittman's frustration is written all over his face, but the judge doesn't blink. She reminds him, court orders aren't suggestions. His decision to skip the DNA test means one thing: under Texas law he's now the legal father. By default, the judge sees straight through the excuses, from walking away from a high-paying job to dodging his legal obligations, and she doesn't let it slide. Because this case, it's not about his convenience, it's about the well-being of a child. As the gavel comes down, the ruling is crystal clear: $1,220 a month in support, plus half the cost of health insurance. Before closing the case, the judge delivers a final, powerful message. Parenting is a responsibility, not a choice you make when it's easy. And just like that, the episode ends with a clear takeaway. In family court, every decision impacts a child's life. And when it comes to accountability, there's no opt-out button.